Hey everyone, it's Mark, Skipper Mark. We are in downtown Wethersfield, historic old Wethersfield. It's 2020 and we are here for the annual Scarecrows on Main event. People make scarecrows, put them out for display, and the town attracts hundreds of people to look at them. So this year with COVID, it's a little different. I hope you can hear me okay. We're gonna show you around, let you see some of the scarecrows and some of the things that make Old Wethersfield worth a visit if you're in the area. Thanks for watching and have a great day. This is the historic Webb House. I believe he was an attorney in the 17 or 1800s. I don't know too much about the historic nature of Mr. Webb, but I do know that George Washington and I believe it was General Rochambeau both met here and planned the Battle of Yorktown, which ended the Revolutionary War. This is the historic Webb Barn. There are a lot of weddings and events held here. Normally, when we're not under COVID. This is the house of Silas Deane. I don't know too much about him, but there's a sign out front that says he was a diplomat in the Revolution, and the house was built in 1776.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
The Old Town Restaurant, Kelly's, and the Old Town Cafe. Got the local fire department here. It's mostly designed for takeout, so if you come on Wednesday, you're going to get something different than if you had been here on Tuesday. This is the old academy. It was originally a boarding school for girls, later became a high school, and even had the town hall here for a few years. I'm not sure if this is complete or if it's supposed to have some kind of a head on it. I've always liked this house. It's the Reverend James Lockwood house and was built in 1767. This is La Noce, a new Italian restaurant that's just opened up in town. This is the Main Street Creamery, very popular place in the summer with the lines going outside, wrapping around the building. I think we can all agree with this statement. This is Comstock Ferry. It's the oldest operating seed company in the nation. They also have a restaurant and sell other neat things. This is Village Pizza. It's one of our favorite restaurants. They have great pizza, sandwiches, lasagna. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the Scarecrows on Main Street. If you're in Connecticut and near Wethersfield, I'd encourage you to stop down and explore the area. There's a lot of neat things to see. Thanks again and have a great day.